How to change administrator on Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change administrator on Windows 10. So without any delay, let us just jump right into the solutions. For that, you need to follow up the steps. So in order to change your administrator on Windows 10, first of all, head over and open up a desktop, and you can directly head over to the control panel. You can just go ahead and search for control panel. Once you're here under this control panel section, this Windows, go to the view by category and select category, the first option, which I'm selecting right now, the category. After the category is selected, here go to this user account. Just go ahead and open it up and this will appear. So under here, go to the user account again. And under here, you'll be finding different options available. So you can just go ahead and select up user account. For example, this one right here, which is a local account. For that, we can go to manager another account and you'll be finding two accounts available, a user account, a local account, and account that you haven't added. So in order to change the administrator, you can go and set up a password for your administrator. You can click on it and you can go to this create a password section. After that, go ahead and create a password for yourself, and that should probably help you change your administrator on Windows 10. So that is how you change your administrator. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.